Hi, my name is Ganesh B, graduate primary school teacher, GSPS, Haravanalli, Vaspet Taluk and Ballari district. Dear students, today I am going to explain something about the one of the important topic that is nouns. Noun is divided into two types: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Dear students, you are already known about the meaning of a noun. Noun is nothing but naming word, name of a person, place, things, and animals. For example, Raju, Beluru, desk, lion, etc. Okay, students, here the Raju is the name of a person, Beluru is the name of a place, and desk is the name of a thing, and lion is the name of an animal. In this way, noun is nothing but a naming word, and nouns can be topically divided into two categories. One is countable noun, and another one is uncountable noun. In another way, noun can be divided into four categories, four types. One is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. In this way, a noun can be topically divided into two types. In countable nouns, the meaning of the countable noun is nouns that can be countable or called countable nouns. For example, one house, two houses, or one D, two Ds. When we convert into the singular to plural at the time, the plural form of these nouns are usually made by adding an s, es, ies, and ves to the singular forms. In second type, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things which cannot be counted by themselves because they are always treated as a group, volume, mass, or quality. Some common mass nouns are liquids, for example, water, oil, gasoline, etc. Materials, coal, steel, wood, etc. And food, bread, butter, etc. Idea, for example, love, knowledge, advice. These things are nouns or cannot be countable. In uncountable nouns has two kinds. One is singular and another one is plurals. In singular, it means it denotes only one. For example, tree, books, cat, etc. And another one is plurals. It denotes more than a one. For example, trees, books, cats, etc. Here, some of the rules are there in English grammar to convert singular to plural. Rule number one: most of the words add s to make plurals. For example, snake, snakes, friend, friends, train, trains, horse, horses, egg, eggs, etc. And rule number two: add es to words ending in ch, sh, s, ss, x, or z to make the plural forms. For example, arch, arches, brush, brushes, bus, buses, class, classes, box, boxes. Here, arch is the word ends with the ch, and brush is the word ends with sh. Bus, the word ends with s, and class, the word ends with ss, and box, the word ends with x. In this way, the words ending in ch, sh, s, ss, or x, or z to make the plurals by adding es. And then rule number 3: when the letter before a y is a consonant, change the y to an I before adding an es. For example, family, families, baby, babies, country, countries, lady, ladies, city, cities. Here the word family, the last letter is y, and before the y, the consonant letter is there, l. That's why when we convert into the plural form at the time, we remove y and add I before adding es. And then rule number 4, words end with ay, ey, iy, oy and uy adding s to make plurals. For example, boys, boys, play, plays, key, keys, guy, guys. Here the boy, the word ends with oy, and the word play ends with ay, and the word key ends with ey. In this way, when we convert into plural form in this type of words, we add only s. And rule number 5, words ends with f, ef, remove ef and ef and adding ves. For example, wolf, wolves, leaf, leaves, self, selves, self, selves. In this type of rules, we remove f and ef and adding ves to the plural form of the words. And next one is rule number 6. Some words have irregular plurals: deer, deer, child, children, man, men, food, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, etc. These are all some of the irregular plurals. We don't add any es, es and vs to the singular nouns. In this way, many more rules are there to convert singular to the plurals, and in the next video I will definitely explain more about how to convert singular to the plurals. And dear students, some of the words or names are listed here. Try these nouns to convert plural forms. For example, pencil, dish, army, wife, woman, plant, church, key, wolf, fish. These are all the some of the nouns. Try these nouns to convert into the plural forms. Thank you one and all. Please support me. Thank you.